Does a medical or health insurance policy cover IVF? Yes, Bhartiya Mahila Bank is providing an insurance policy in tie-up with New India Assurance Co. to its customer with a waiting period of 2 years. This policy also covers maternity. Sum assured, 1 Indian rupee, 00000 to 5 Indian rupees, 00000 below are the features as mentioned on their webpage. BMB Nirbhaya Women BMB Nirbhaya Women features, for all women 8C. Holders of Bharatiya Mahila Bank Limited. Cashless facility available. Insurance available for maternity cover and infertility treatment also. Pre-30 days and post-60 days hospitalization cover. Maternity cover for first 2 living children, if policy continues for at least 2 years without break, actual subject to maximum of 10% of sum insured. Treatment for infertility only after 2 years, if renewed without break, actual subject to maximum of 10% of sum insured. Daycare expenses cover for any surgery due to the advancement of medical technology for which less than 24 hours of hospitalization is required. Gynecological health checkup, if claim-free, from 4th year of policy, 1% of average S.I. Maternity includes miscarriage after 3 months of conceivement within maternity limit, only from 3rd year, if renewed without break. In India, no insurance company covers for IVF, reason being health insurance covers for illness and diseases majorly which requires hospitalization. IVF, which is a treatment to get pregnant and pregnancy-related conditions are not termed as illness and hence not covered in Mediclaim insurance. Maternity is covered in corporate health policy but IVF is mostly not covered. But currently few companies are giving infertility and maternity benefit cover. 1. New India, Mediclaim policy. This Mediclaim policy will cover air ambulance costs too. Times of India, New India Assurance has announced a Mediclaim cover which will cover the cost of infertility too, but the individual policy terms have to be read carefully before binding of risk. 2. Bhartiya Mahila Bank started a policy covering IVF but after it was merged with SBI the policy got discontinued. 3. Star Health Insurance, Family Health Optima 4. Magma HDI, 1 Health for your interest. It is advisable to read the terms and conditions of the policy document clearly before binding of risk. It depends on the insurance and the state you're in. 13 states have laws on the books that require insurance companies to cover infertility treatments to some degree: Arkansas, Connecticut, Hawaii, Illinois, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Montana, New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, and West Virginia, and 2 more have laws that require insurance companies to offer coverage: California and Texas, the main difference being that you don't have to pay for a super fancy plan to get at least some infertility treatment coverage in the first 13, whereas you might in the latter 2. Additionally, while most of those states don't allow IVF to be excluded from infertility treatment coverage, California, Louisiana, and New York specifically exclude IVF from their laws. So, if you're in Arkansas, Connecticut, Hawaii, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Montana, New Jersey, Rhode Island, or West Virginia, there's a decent chance your IVF procedure will be at least partly covered by insurance. If you're in Texas, you may have had the chance to opt into insurance that would cover IVF. Outside of those states, it's a crapshoot and usually a no. That said, even if your insurance covers a lot of IVF costs, you'll still end up paying quite a lot in co-pays. It defrays the cost, but it doesn't eliminate them completely.